Hello and welcome to Rain and Rail Enthusiast and a continuation of our series along the railway line. To find out where we are today, here's John with the map.
Thanks John. We will be going along the South East Main Line. This runs from Charing Cross and Cannon Street on the northwest part of the map down to Dover Priory on the southeast corner. But in Series 1 of this line we will only be concentrating on the stations between Sandling and Marden, leaving out Ashford as we are only looking at the smaller stations on this line. And today we're at Headcorn. Headcorn was opened in 1842 by the South East Railway Company, initially as a terminus for the line as the extension to Dover had yet to be completed. The original station building was made of tongue and groove timber, similar to that at Pluckley. A goods facility was also provided for here, albeit an unusual design. A single track intercepted both running lines and led to sidings and a turntable on the coastbound side. In 1905, the Kent and East Sussex Railway extended to Headcorn. Its platform ran parallel with the London-bound side. The link to Headcorn remained until 1954, when it was closed due to unprofitability. The fast central tracks you see here were actually the original running lines. They were put into this configuration in the 1920s when the station was rebuilt, with 2 new platforms and 2 new slow lines. The other track you see on your left behind the London-bound platform is a goods loop installed for the Channel Tunnel freight trains. Looking coastbound, you can clearly see the divergence to the slow lines, as well as the goods loop on the right. The new station building was opened in 1989. A neat red brick design, it is very pleasant and is kept in good order by the station staff. A taxi rank and bus stop are just located outside the building. Like the exterior, the interior is very clean and functional. At time of filming, passenger traffic is served by Class 375 electric multiple units. The station signage at Headcorn is great, detailing all there is to do around the area, including the Big Cat Sanctuary and Benenden Vineyards, which are a short bus ride away. Outside the main station building you'll find an automated ticketing machine as well as the bus and taxi ranks. On platform 2 you will find an assistance point, some bike lockers, a vending machine and some toilets, although you must note that the toilets are only open when the station building is. There are also many posters placed along the station building. This includes the standard Onward Travel Information Board. Dot matrix displays are featured on both platforms. The statistics for Headcorn are that it opened in 1842, it has 2 trains per hour off-peak and at weekends, with additional services during peak hours, and the entry and exit figures for 2019-2020 were 610,226. Headcorn has some excellent views for the enthusiast, as well as many other sites of interest away from the station. A functional station building, albeit not original, completes the look of this lovely stop on this line.
Platform 1 for the 14 18:45 Southeastern service to London Charing Cross. Calling at Staplehurst, Marden, Paddock Wood, Tunbridge, Sevenoaks, Orpington, London Bridge, London Waterloo East and London Charing Cross. This train has 8 coaches. Following number 20.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks very much for watching.